Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is moving in this particular range from quite some time. Okay, and I've clearly told you that 67.8 is a strong support. So if the price started falling below this particular level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, as this is a strong support, we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level. And I've told you that if the price started falling below a level of 72.17, which is this particular point, we can see a further fall. Now the price has fallen below this particular level and chances can be high it can touch this level. So a bounce back can come from this particular level, it can move further low. Okay, if the price started falling below this level, we can see it can come towards 64.6 and from there a low of around 63.21, which is the low of this zone. So we can see this level we have not seen since December of 21. So chances of further fall we can see because this has come after three years almost. Okay, so chances of further fall we can see. If you look at the price of a crude, how it moves, whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, and see now the price is continuously moving down. So if it started going below this particular level of 67.8, it can fall towards a level of 64 or a further downfall. Okay, but if it keeps sustaining above a level of 72.17, then there is a probability of going towards a level of 75, then to a level of 77, then there will be a zone breakout, so a further high. The dollar index, I have clearly explained you that if the dollar index started going above a level of $102, chances of further upside we can see. Now the price is towards a level of 103.4, a further upside we can see because this level we have seen after around, you can say, 2-3 months. So chances are high it can go towards a level of 104, towards the level of 105 also, because this is the zone, and once started moving over 105, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but if the price started falling again below a level of $102, a further fall we can see, and it can move towards a level of 100.5, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 100 and then a further fall. Keeping that in mind, that if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of crude can come up. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of crude comes down. Okay, but sometime what happens, they both moves in same direction. So whenever you start your trade, try to put the SL. Okay, so your capital can be saved, and trail your SL, so your profit will be saved. These two things you have to do, then you can sustain for a longer period of time in the market. Okay, now understand where the price can go. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, chances are high it can move below a level of $67, which is already being tested. So chances of further fall we can see towards a level of around 64.5, and once the price started falling below 64.5, we can see it can go towards a level of $63, which is the low of this zone. So we have seen this level at a level in December of 21. So there will be a zone breakout. So chances of further fall we can see it can fall towards a level of 61.9, which is already being tested. That is also being tested. So further fall we can see, and it can touch a level of around 57. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 48. After moving 57, a probability of going towards 52 will be there, and then a further fall. So if the price started falling below this level, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability of going towards 71.7 will be there, and then to a level of 72.17. Okay, 72.17 is a strong support, so you have to keep it in mind. It can go towards a level of 74.5. 72.17 is a strong resistance. So if it started going above this level, we can see it can go towards 74.53, or it can bounce back from this level downside. Okay, as soon as started sustaining this level, a probability of going towards 74.53 will be there, and then it can go towards $77. And once the price moving above this level, it can cross a level of 78.9. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances of going towards 79.6 will be there, and from there it can go above a level of 80.19. Okay, and once the price moving above 80.1, upside we can see towards a level of 83.71, and then we can see it can go towards a level of 85.5, and then a further high, and then you can say it will cross a level of 87.68. Okay, and because this level is already being tested, so a further upside we can see towards a level of 89, and then further high. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards 90, and then If the price started going above 87.58, I'll make another video explaining where it can go. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.